All right, y'all, how we doing? Another Hoka Tor unboxing. These release on Friday, March 8th, so hop over to www.shopcanoeclub.com if you're viewing this and see if we've got some sizes left. But we know the Tor, we've come to really love it here at Canoe Club and within the community, so I'm just gonna kind of show some of the details that might differ from previous ones and get into it. We'll have, as everyone requested, some on bodies as well. So let me go ahead and pop these boys out. Okay. The Tor Ultra Lo. Color on this is Mountain View Eggnog. We love green pants here. We also love green shoes. This is a colorway that has spoken to me in particular. Super wearable, but I just think this green is super dope. So you've got kind of this very smooth, almost like a suede feel up against some of like the more man-made nylons and the different textures like this little plastic Hoka logo here. Yellow pull tabs on the back. Nice and chunky, but super wearable. It's one of those shoes where I always feel surprised when I put them on that they're not as chunky as they appear kind of in a product photo or in this setting. Underneath, very chunky sole here on the bottom with plenty of like gum details kind of breaking that up. Obviously made by Vibram. This would be nice if you were to actually like hike in them, spend some time out in the outdoors. These would be very applicable and would serve you well. Got this neat kind of lace here with some two-tone, as well as, just pop into frame there, as well as these guys. So you could switch it out for a yellow lace if you wanted something with a little more contrast. You wanted it to pop a little bit, kind of matches here on the pull tab. But I mean, yeah, let's look at it from the side. I like how the gum kind of does break up this, so it's like green, white gum. So you do get that kind of proportion, that contrast in between all of the elements, all of the layers of the sole. And then as I mentioned, you kind of got the different textures playing on the upper as well. And then plenty of padding here around the inside of the ankle. Hoka branding on that back piece. But overall, stellar. Again, these would look cool with like a baggier pant. Think like a North Face purple label pant that has a tie on the bottom, or Grimichis are very common, or anything with a fuller leg is what I would go for. Also, a short with like a chunky sock is kind of a cool look. Very, this might not be the right word, but like kind of like hippie, kind of like bohemian, just like letting things be what it is. So big chunky sock, maybe in some fun colors, pair of shorts, and these you'll be styling all summer. But I mean, that's about it. It is Gore-Tex, so it is gonna be both water resistant and waterproof, and should keep you warm, obviously, if you chose to wear these in the winter months. But I mean, that's about it detail-wise. Let's go ahead and throw these on my feet. I've got a baggier pair of green pants on today. I think it'll look kind of cool, so let's go ahead and peep those.